Welcome to this video on English idiomatic expressions. Language goes beyond mere words and grammar. It's a treasure trove of vibrant and distinctive phrases that infuse our conversations with richness and depth. In today's journey, we'll explore some of the most intriguing and frequently employed idiomatic expressions in the English language. These expressions transcend language. They offer us glimpses into the culture and inventive spirit of English speakers. So, let's embark on this exploration of the linguistic gems that make English a truly captivating language. Okay, let's begin. English idiomatic expressions. The devil is in the details. The small, often overlooked things can cause problems. The devil is in the details is an idiomatic expression highlighting the significance of paying careful attention to small, seemingly insignificant elements. It implies that hidden challenges or issues can arise in the finer points of a plan, project, or situation, and success depends on a thorough examination of these details. The idiom serves as a cautionary reminder to be vigilant about the specifics, as overlooking or neglecting them may lead to unexpected problems or complications. It underscores the importance of precision and thoroughness in various contexts, urging individuals to scrutinize every aspect for a successful outcome. Here are the usages of the idiom, "The devil is in the details" in various contexts. Project management. This idiom is crucial in project planning, emphasizing the need for a meticulous examination of details in the early stages. It warns that neglecting small elements during planning can lead to significant issues during execution, prompting project managers to stress the importance of thorough planning. Legal agreements. In legal contexts, especially during negotiations and document reviews, the devil is indeed in the details. This phrase advises a careful examination of each clause in contracts, emphasizing the risks associated with overlooking or misunderstanding specific terms, making it a vital reminder for legal professionals. Quality control. In manufacturing or product development, maintaining high quality is paramount. The devil is in the details is apt for quality control, emphasizing the importance of meticulous attention to small elements, from design to production. This expression is a reminder for quality control teams to ensure precision throughout the production cycle. Now, let's examine some examples of the idiom, "The devil is in the details." While planning the conference, Jimmy realized the devil is in the details. Even minor scheduling errors could disrupt the entire event. Negotiating the contract required meticulous attention because the devil is in the details, and any ambiguity in the terms could lead to legal complications later. In cooking, especially with delicate recipes, the devil is in the details. Precise measurements and cooking times make all the difference. As the team worked on the intricate design of the spacecraft, they were well aware that the devil is in the details, and even the smallest oversight could jeopardize the entire mission. Designing a user-friendly website requires attention to detail. The devil is in the details when it comes to intuitive navigation and clear visuals. For a better understanding and immersion, listen to the story to see how the idiom, "The devil is in the details" is used in it. A culinary symphony. In the bustling kitchen of his newly opened restaurant, Chef Marco understood that the devil was in the details. Every dish on the menu was a meticulously crafted masterpiece, where the balance of flavors, textures, and presentation mattered profoundly. As orders poured in, Marco's commitment to perfection shone through. He would often remind his team, "Remember, the devil is in the details," urging them to pay attention to the nuances that could elevate a meal from good to extraordinary. As the night unfolded, Marco's insistence on detail became even more evident. From the precise plating of each course to the careful selection of herbs for garnish, every element contributed to the culinary symphony. The diners, immersed in the gastronomic experience, were unknowingly appreciating the truth that, in the world of fine dining, the devil truly lay in the details. Even during the final moments of service, as exhaustion crept in, Marco's mantra persisted. He would say, "One last push, everyone. Excellence is in the details." The kitchen team, inspired by their leader's unwavering commitment, pushed through the fatigue, knowing that it was the meticulous attention to detail that set their culinary creations apart. As the night concluded, satisfied patrons departed, having savored an experience where the devil in the details had transformed a meal into a culinary masterpiece. In the questions section, you should think about what we've learned and recall the knowledge so that you can answer the questions easily. So, read the questions and find the correct answer below. 1. What does the expression, "the devil is in the details," imply? A. The devil is literally hiding in the details. B. The details are unimportant. C. Details make things easy. D. Hidden problems or difficulties can be found in the details. 2. In personal relationships, how might the idiom, "the devil is in the details," be applied? A. To highlight the importance of small, thoughtful actions. B. To suggest that small gestures don't matter. C. To discourage expressing love through small details. D. To emphasize that details in relationships are unimportant. 3. In which field is the phrase, "the devil is in the details," commonly used? A. Mathematics. B. Project management. C. Simplifying. D. Juggling. 4. Why is the expression, "the devil is in the details," often used in creative endeavors? A. Because creative projects don't require attention to detail. B. Because creative work is best when it lacks details. C. Because creativity often involves intricate and nuanced details. D. Because it discourages creativity. As we conclude our exploration of English idiomatic expressions, I hope you've enjoyed this linguistic adventure. Idioms are the hidden treasures of any language, revealing the culture, history, and humor of its speakers. By understanding and using idioms, you not only become a more fluent communicator, but also gain insights into the soul of the English language. So, go ahead, break a leg, and start using these phrases to add richness and depth to your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms can be a piece of cake if you bite the bullet and practice regularly. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and until next time, happy idiom hunting.